Hello students, welcome to our English lesson. Today, we will learn a story called Andre and Princess Suripit. The story happens in a kingdom. There is a big castle, green forests, and high mountains. The kingdom is peaceful and beautiful. The sun shines brightly on the green hills, and a clear river flows gently through the land. The people in the kingdom are happy and live in cozy little houses. They work together, planting gardens and taking care of their animals. It's a wonderful place to live, full of joy and laughter. The birds sing in the trees, and colorful flowers grow everywhere. It truly is a magical kingdom where everyone feels safe and content. This is Andre. Andre is a young knight. He is brave and kind. He wants to protect the kingdom. Andre wears shiny armor and carries a shield with the kingdom's crest on it. He practices every day to be strong and skillful, but his greatest strength is his good heart. He always helps people in need, whether it's fixing a broken fence or finding a lost pet. All the children in the kingdom look up to him and dream of being a knight just like Andre. He is a true hero, not just because he is brave, but because he is always ready to lend a helping hand. This is Princess Suripit. She lives near the castle. She is beautiful and kind-hearted. The people love her very much. Princess Suripit is long, flowing hair, and always wears a smile. She loves to spend her time in the castle gardens, tending to the flowers and talking to the little birds that come to visit her. She isn't just a princess who stays in the castle. She often walks through the village, talking with everyone and listening to their stories. Her kindness makes the whole kingdom a brighter and happier place. Everyone agrees that Princess Suripit has a heart as golden as her crown. One day, a black dragon comes to the kingdom. The dragon scares the people. Everyone feels afraid. The dragon has big wings that block out the sun and a long tail that sways from side to side. It flies over the castle, and its shadow covers the peaceful villages below. The people run into their homes, and the once happy streets become quiet and empty. The sound of its mighty roar echoes through the mountains, making everyone tremble. The beautiful, peaceful kingdom is now filled with fear. Something must be done to save their home. Before we continue the story, let's learn some new words together. Are you ready? The first word is prince. Prince. A prince is the son of a king and queen. Next, we have princess. Princess. A princess is the daughter of a king and queen, like Princess Suripit. This is a castle. Castle. A castle is a very large, strong building where a king or queen lives. Here is a dragon. Dragon. A dragon is a big, mythical creature that can fly and sometimes breathe fire. This is a knight. Knight. A knight is a brave warrior who protects the kingdom, just like Andre. And finally, kingdom. Kingdom. A kingdom is a country ruled by a king or queen. Great job! Now, let's say the words one more time, a little slowly. Listen and repeat after me. Prince. Princess. Castle. Dragon. Knight. Kingdom. Excellent work, everyone. You've learned 6 new words today. Now it's time for your task. Please get a notebook and a pencil. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Write the 5 new words that you learned from the video. Think about the words we just practiced together. Write them down in your notebook. Number 2. Please answer these questions. The first question is, who is Andre? Think about what we learned about him. The second question is, where does the story happen? Remember the beautiful place we talked about at the beginning. Take your time to write down your answers. You can pause the video if you need more time. This is the introduction of our story. We will find out what happens next with Andre, Princess Suripit, and the dragon in our next lesson. What do you think Andre will do? Will he face the dragon? We will see. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.